This tutorial video explains how to answer questions sent by ANSALDO Energia Group through AE Vendor Hub. Depending on the categories that you have selected during registration process, ANSALDO Energia Group may request you to complete additional information related to your company and your services or products. This may happen at any time after you complete the registration process. Once you have watched this video, you can review all details in the vendor guide document that you can download from the homepage. When ANSALDO Energia Group sends questions to your company related to qualification processes, you will receive an email from AE Vendor Hub containing a direct link to access the editable forms. You can access the forms in two ways, as described below. Click on the link received in the email. Connect to AE Vendor Hub homepage and access to Editable Forms menu. Let's review first how to access editable forms from the link available in the email. Once you have clicked on the link, you are asked to enter username and password to access the form questions. A pop-up window appears to inform about ANSALDO Energia Group request. As requested in the pop-up window, click OK to go directly to editable forms. Let's review now another way to access editable forms from AE Vendor Hub homepage. Enter username and password to access the form questions. Click on Editable Forms. Once you are in the Editable Forms page, you have to click on the ANSALDO Energia Group request to open and view a first list of forms to fill in. Note that if form completion is between 0 to 99%, you have to fill in some information for the first time. If form completion is 100%, you have to update, confirm. Click on the first form to open it and answer the questions. Note that these forms are also available in your company profile area, but only in read-only mode. Please pay attention to the fact that you can answer the questions only if you access the forms from Editable Forms menu. Be aware that you cannot return the forms to ANSALDO Energia Group as long as you have not filled in all mandatory answers. You also need to open and review forms that are already populated, as you may need to provide updated information. Click on Edit to be able to fill in or update answers. In case there is more than one editable form, you are kindly requested to go through each single form and to fill in, review, and/or update all questions. When the form has been completed, save changes and go to the next form. Click on Save and Continue to open the next form and reply to the questions. Once all mandatory fields are populated and all forms are reviewed, click on Return Forms to ANSALDO Energia Group. Once all forms have been sent back to ANSALDO Energia Group, the list of editable forms is empty.